How to add music bot in Discord server. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add music bot in Discord server. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is we just need to head over to our Discord server and then enter our server. As you can see, here is my server right here. And now if I want to actually add the music bot in here, I just need to open a new tab and then just head over to top.gg. So let's head over to that link right here. Then after that, as you can see, it will check our site connection. But don't worry because it will only take a moment. And now as you can see, it is loading and we can now explore this site. Now what we need to do is we need to click on this Discord bots right here and just type in here hashtag music. So just type in there hashtag music and then just click enter in order to search for it. As you can see, here it is right here. We have a lot of Discord bots right here that we can add. As you can see, there's some green bot and you can also see their rating right here. You can also see some promoted things right here if you want. Now, if you want, you can also just choose anything from this list. So what we need to do is, for example, we want to use this right here. So what we need to do is we need to click on their name. Or you can also just directly click on invite right here. So click on invite. And then after you have done that, it will open our Discord again, which will ask you to authorize access. Then in here, just choose the server that you want to add it into. I'll just put it in the tutorial server, click on continue, and then just click on authorize right here. And then it will ask for a CAPTCHA, so just answer the CAPTCHA right here. So let me just answer this for a bit. Then after you have answered it, as you can see, it has been added. So we need to head over to our server right there. So as you can see, this bot has been added. So to get started, you can just join a voice channel. So let's try to join a voice channel right here. And then you can use this command right here, which is hashtag play. And you can put in here the name of the song. For example, we want to add in Fire 21 and then just send this to them, and as you can see, it is thinking and it will play the actual song. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add music bot in Discord server. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.